Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 16th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar kind of went as expected today. Definitely made a nice little 5 waves down. I think it's probably more than likely a wave A. We're probably in a correction to that wave A right now. Probably more than likely a wave B. Which a wave B can go at least all the way up to the previous highs and sometimes even further, but I would expect it to at least be a correction to this last move down. Then I think we're going to have another push down to at least the 50, maybe even the 61.8. There is a lot of little rally-based rally areas right here, so it seems like a pretty likely area for this to go. Before we do, we get at the end of the correction and the continuation of the uptrend. And it could even end up being a correction to this whole move up right here. So definitely expect to see some movement to the downside. It's just whether it's going to be a little ABC or whether it's going to be a correction to this whole thing. We'll just have to wait and see. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.